Today we will be going over this simple pop-out effect in Final Cut Pro. Here displayed on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of Final Cut Pro plugins, some free, yes, some are free, and some you have to pay for. But all in all, go check out the website because this will help your Final Cut Pro workflow and enhance your workflow as well. So let's get right on into the video for today. Okay, for this first example, we're just gonna play this scene out, and this is the city of Las Vegas. Clip just riding down the roads of Las Vegas. And what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna make this Paris ball kind of pop out in place. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna drag up and hold Option at the same time to make a duplicate clip. And when we do that, we're gonna click on this little icon right here and press hold to hold our clip. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit Command B to break our clip and delete the rest of the clip. Now we're gonna go to the beginning of our playhead and we're gonna add a draw mask in our effects tab. So under mask and keying, we're gonna go to our draw mask and we're gonna drag that onto our held clip. Now we're gonna zoom in for accuracy to mask accordingly. Take your time and make sure the mask is accurate and precise. So I'm just gonna go mask this. Now, once you got your mask, you can zoom out, and now we are going to begin to create our animation, but we are going to reduce the size of the held clip to make the animation look more realistic. So we're going to bring this down. And now this is where the animation pretty much begins. So you're going to put your playhead in the very beginning of the timeline. And now we are going to add our keyframes to our position and to our scale. So we're gonna add a keyframe to our position, add a keyframe to our scale. And we're just going to scale this up. But what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that whatever object that you masked out is covering the object behind. This bottom clip is shown behind there, so if I press on the bottom clip and press V, it disables the clip. So just make sure that whatever object that you select is covering over the bottom clip. So I'm just gonna hit the transform button and cover that up. And I'm just gonna scale this up just a bit more. And once you feel like you have a good pop-out animation, you are going to go about 5 or 6 frames ahead, and you are going to bring every keyframe back into its original position. So this was on 100, and the Y position was on 0 and the X position was on 0. So we're gonna bring everything back to its original before we scaled it up. And we're gonna go back to our timeline and play this animation out. And this looks pretty good. This looks actually pretty good. You can get away with this, but there is a way that we can make this look even more realistic and draw your viewers in even more. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna put our playhead in the beginning of the timeline, and we are going to add some motion blur. This motion blur does not come with Final Cut Pro. I will leave this in the description below if you are interested in getting this. Like I said, this is an extra tip for you. So once you download it, it will be in your titles. Just drag that onto your timeline and make it the length of your held clip. Perfect. Now once we play this back, as you can already see, it looks way better. Looks a lot more realistic, and if you're a viewer watching this, you're definitely going to be hooked on the screen. So this is a very simple effect and an easy effect to kind of get your viewers engaged and more intrigued into your video. So that's it for today. I hope this video helped you out. If you guys are interested in any Final Cut Pro plugins, please visit our website, www.b3-studios.com, where we have plenty of plugins to enhance your Final Cut Pro workflow. Again, I will be dropping a lot more videos soon. Please comment and engage and let me know what type of videos you guys will want me to release. And I will see you guys soon. Again, thank you so much. All right, guys, bye.